Welcome to Catpedia. I'm your trainer Priyanshu Gandhi and you are watching Catpedia. Before start, I would like to say please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Today we will discuss about AutoCAD introduction. In this particular topic, we will cover three basic points. Which one is what is AutoCAD and the second is user interface and the third is importance of AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software which used to create precise 2D and 3D designs and drawings. In this software, we get a draft, annotate, and design of 2D geometry. Also, comparing drawings, adding blocks, creating schedules, and many more features. Now come to user interface. The basic interface of any AutoCAD versions are here, which you can see. The first one, drawing area, title bar, ribbon, file, tab, start tab, application button, quick access toolbar, in canvas controls, user coordinate system, command line, status bar, workspace, switching menu, view cube, etc. Now we are showing different AutoCAD versions. In 2018, 19 and 20, there are no major changes. Only icons and backgrounds are graphically enhanced. Now you can see the 2015, 16 and 17 versions. There is also no changes, only themes are graphically enhanced. Now importance of AutoCAD. Nowadays there are many CAD software available in the market. But why we should use AutoCAD? Because AutoCAD has pre-designed toolset for different work style, work natures, which really makes easy to work and time saving for users. Now we got architecture toolset. In this architecture toolset, we have automate floor plans, sections and elevations of structures, which is good for beginners as well as experts. Next, mechanical toolset. This toolset is useful for create mechanical design faster, also less time consuming. Next, MEP toolset. MEP is mechanical, electrical and plumbing general works. This toolset used to draw piping, ducting and circuiting quickly with part libraries. Next, electrical toolset. This is a specialized toolset used to create panel layout, schematic diagrams and other electrical drawings. Next, Map 3D toolset. This toolset used for providing the location of project site in particular drawings. This tool has updated global map in 2D as well as 3D. Next, Plant 3D toolset. This toolset used for create schematic diagrams, plant layouts and other drawings for plant designs. Next, Raster design toolset. This toolset useful in create or erase lines and polylines from raster image. Also used for touch-up and convert raster files into vector drawings. And in the last but not the least, the first one is AutoCAD mobile application and the second is AutoCAD web application. In AutoCAD mobile application, which is useful for user. Also user can view, create, edit and share AutoCAD drawings on mobile devices anytime, anywhere, online or offline. And now AutoCAD web application. The web application is which is access AutoCAD from any computer for view, create and edit drawings. Work or access the latest drawings from anywhere just by logging in their AutoCAD software with user ID and the password. And the lecture ends here. We will meet again with next relevant topics. Thanks for watching.